Hello friends, today we learn about how to create Neumorphic toggle button using HTML and CSS. Let's start. The first thing we need is a code editing software called Visual Studio Code. Here, you have to create a file called Index.html. Now, you have to create a second file called style.css. As you can see, we have finalized output. If you enjoyed this video, it would only take a few seconds to like and share it, also to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications about our new content. Stay tuned and keep learning, keep growing, and keep succeeding in your life. Thank you so much.